Hello everybody! Today we're going to make this healthy and delicious pancake using 2 ingredients, which is 2 eggs and 1 overripe banana. First of all, I will peel the banana into the bowl and mash it with your fork. While you're watching this video, don't forget to comment down below where did you watch this video from so that I can send hug and thank you on your way. We'll continue to mash the banana until it's like a puree or baby food. We'll crack 2 eggs into the bowl. The banana and the eggs together until it is very well combined. I will add about 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract to enhance the flavor, a dash of cinnamon, and mix them together until they are very well incorporated. I also like to add about a pinch of salt in there as well. When you're making dessert or anything sweet, I would suggest you add just a pinch of salt in there. That will make your dessert or your sweet dish super good. In a skillet or in a non-stick pan over medium heat, I will brush with some coconut oil. This is a 1 tablespoon, so I will use this to scoop out the banana pancake batter into the pan. I use about 2 tablespoons per 1 pancake. Then we'll cook that until it's set. Then we'll flip it or turn it upside down. We'll continue to cook that until it's done. Look at that, it's beautiful golden brown. We'll continue or repeat the process until you're all done with the batter. This recipe will yield about 6 to 7 pancakes, so it should be enough for 1 or 2 persons to enjoy, alright? If you find any value information or if you enjoy watching my video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I would greatly appreciate your support. I also thank you so much for my subscriber, my viewer, for always watching my videos. I wouldn't have come this far without your support. Here is the final result of my banana egg pancakes. We only use 2 main ingredients and I add some blueberry with it. You can also add any berry of your choice, okay? I am adding some syrup here as well. If you prefer it without syrup, that is perfectly fine. We already got enough natural sweetener from the banana already. Look at this beautiful pancake. They are very soft, sweet and fluffy and very delicious. Did you hear that delicious eating sound? I'm sure you would love to try it too. If you enjoyed this recipe, I'm sure you will love my other 2 ingredient pancake as well. I hope you like this recipe. Until next time.